So now we got the bottom of the feed carpet cleaned. You can see all that junk is off of there. We used some WD-40 on it. And what we're going to do is we're just going to simply slide it back in. And the other thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take a rag and clean the feed motor off and get all the junk off of it. Clean the bearing up a little bit. So you can see that's not perfect, but it's clean enough. There's still a little stuff down on the motor, but unless that really gets on there a lot, you don't have to worry about it. So this is going to go right back in. And by the way, if you ever have to change a feed motor, you see how the two screws are towards where the stove is? The plate has to go on that way or the feed motor won't work. So now we're going to go ahead and put our nuts back on.